So this is going to be a Mother's Day fold-out card. What you're going to do is you're going to get a blank sheet of paper, and the first step you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half. Okay, and you make sure you line up the edges even, and then fold it, put your finger right down the middle, and crease. Okay, once you do that, you're going to open up your paper, and you're going to fold again and line up this edge with the middle of the paper, crease. Okay, alright, so the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to get your pencil. First you're going to draw with your pencil. I'm going to draw with a Sharpie. We're going to write the word mom. So in the middle I'm going to do a heart. So I'm going to put a point here, and I'm going to put a point here, so I know where to connect the points of the heart. So once you do this first point, you're going to go around and do the arch of your heart, go across the crease, and connect to the second point. Okay, so here's that crease. I'm going to do this side too. Do the arch, try to make it the same as best as you can, and then go down and connect to the point. Okay, and that's the first shape of the heart. Now we're going to do a second one. I'm going to make a point a little higher so I know my guide. And I'm going to connect the arch down here again, and do another one on this side. Okay, now I'm going to write the M in the M, so the heart represents the O. Okay, so here's the crease again. You got to go across the crease. I'm going to make a line going down here for M and up. And I'm going to go across, down. Now this side you don't have to be even. I try to make my letters different so it's kind of creative. Then you go across your crease, the other side of the M. Okay, and then the point here, the middle part of the M where the crease is, that's where I'm going to connect. Okay, so you do that letter V where the crease is, then you finish the rest of the letter M. Okay, same on this side. I'm going to start with the line here. It's going to go across the crease, up a little bit, cross, down, up, cross, go down and past the crease. Okay, the middle of the M, I'm going to start right where the crease is. So I'm going to do a V shape where the crease is. Okay, then you continue. Alright, so it says mom. Now, when you open it up, you're going to open up your paper. Now we have to continue. I'm going to write mom again. So I'm going to do this heart. Make this heart. Make this heart. You're going to repeat yourself. This right here, the two dots, if you see where the crease is, that's where we're going to do the V. So we're kind of repeating ourselves. The V, bottom of the M, and then this is the top part. I'm going to put my point right here. Here's another one. Okay. Now these parts, these are going to turn into some vases. So I'm going to go up a little bit, make a rectangle. This V, I'll go up in this little bit, go across. This line, go up, cross, okay, up, rectangle, this V, long, go across, up, across. Okay, and you'll see what we're going to do now. Make some flowers. I'm going to do a couple here. So you can make whatever kind of flowers you want, or you can make the simple flowers that I'm doing like this. You make a circle in the middle, and you just make some curved lines going all the way around. Okay, circle. Make some petals that go all the way around, or like I said, you can create your own flower that you want. And I'm going to make 3 or 4 of these. Don't go past this crease right here of your paper. And I'll make one more over here, and I'm not going to go, it's going to be overlapping, so I'm going to stop where the heart is. So if you overlap, just don't go across the heart. Okay, and I'm going to do some on this side too. So if I'm going too fast, pause the video, but you can do whatever flower you want, or you can repeat the flowers that I'm doing. And then I'm going to do one more. Alright, so once you finish the flowers, you're going to make the stems go into the vases. So you see, those are little vases that are holding the flowers. And you can add 1 or 2 leaves on the stem. Same with these. Alright, and then in the middle, this is where you're going to write whatever you want. You can write, I love you, or you can write, you are the best. Whatever you want to write, your little message right here. And now you're going to get your colors, and you're going to color your design either with crayons, color pencils, watercolor paint, whatever you want. And it'll look something like this, but you pick whatever colors you want. So that way, when you open it up, so here's the fold. Okay, so this is the final product. This is the folded, where it says Mom, and when you open it up, there's your decoration, and write whatever message you want. Okay, so hopefully you had fun with this folding design for Mother's Day.